Today, we are going into a thought-provoking topic, the commercial breeding of lions and its implications on animal rights and conservation. We'll be examining different viewpoints as well as justifications for this complex issue. Are you there? Let's get started. First, commercial lion breeding involves the breeding or setting aside lions for producing offspring in captivity for profit. On the other hand, animal rights refers to the ethical belief that animals deserve to be treated with respect and consideration, and that they have the right to live free from cruelty and exploitation by humans. This can involve advocating for laws and practices that protect animals from harm, promote their well-being, and recognize their intrinsic value. At this point, the question is, who actually benefits from the commercial breeding of lions? A straightforward answer is that there are various stakeholders with breeders and operators at the center, and we are going to explore the reasons behind their involvement. Let's jump right in, but be careful not to jump into lions' den because that could be dangerous. At this moment, let's get to justifications for commercial lion breeding. First, lion breeding facilities benefit the tourist industry, including travel agencies and wildlife parks. For instance, tourists are often attracted to the opportunity to take photos with lion cubs or adult lions, creating memorable and shareable moments for their social media platforms. Therefore, lion cub petting, walking with lions, or other interactive experiences draw tourists seeking unique experiences. These interactions can bring in significant revenue for breeders and operators, contributing to their financial gain. Some lion breeding facilities claim to provide educational experiences about lions, conservation efforts, and local cultures, which can appeal to tourists interested in wildlife and cultural learning. It deserves noting that commercial lion breeding promotes combining volunteering and tourism. This is known as voluntourism, which is a form of tourism where travelers participate in volunteer work, typically for social or environmental causes, while at the same time enjoying leisure and tourism activities. More so, many luxury resorts and lodges that promote volunteerism offer walks with lions experiences, which can enhance their appeal and justify higher rates. This symbiotic relationship between commercial breeders and the tourism industry creates a revenue stream for both parties. There is yet another interesting angle in this debate, the case of trophy hunting. Do you know what trophy hunting is? Another name for trophy hunting is can lion hunting. It is the practice in which wealthy individuals pay substantial fees to hunt captive bred lions that are released into confined areas. Trophies here are the souvenirs of hunting lions, which could be the whole killed lion, its head, skin, bones, or any other parts they value. From what we have seen so far, commercial breeding of lions is not that straightforward. Are you wondering why? This is because, surprisingly, some conservation organizations support this practice. What are some of their reasons? They believe that captive bred lions could potentially play a role in future reintroduction efforts because lions bred in captivity might possess genetics that make them more adaptable to certain environments or less susceptible to diseases that wild populations face. They collaborate with breeders to develop suitable individuals for release. Next, some conservationists justify commercial breeding on the ground that it can generate significant revenue, which can be directed towards funding conservation initiatives, habitat protection, anti-poaching efforts, and community development in areas where lions are found. They view this as a pragmatic way to secure funds for conservation. As we mentioned, they further argue that commercial breeding could help preserve genetic diversity by maintaining populations of lions that might not thrive in the wild due to factors like habitat loss or conflicts with humans. In some cases, commercial breeding might offer an alternative livelihood for local communities that could otherwise engage in activities harmful to lions, such as retaliatory killings due to conflicts between lions and livestock. It is also believed that controlled captive populations can provide opportunities for scientific research, including behavioral studies, health assessments, and genetic research. This knowledge, they believe, could contribute to a better understanding of lion biology and aid conservation efforts. Despite all this, the question still remains: is commercial lion breeding against animal rights? Ultimately, the question of whether commercial lion breeding is against animal rights is complex. As you have seen, there is a complex web of stakeholders: breeders, operators, the tourist industry, local community, and even some conservation organizations can reap financial gains. Therefore, the decision to support or oppose commercial lion breeding hinges on a careful consideration of the ethical, scientific, and practical implications, as well as the long-term impacts on lion populations and their ecosystems. Therefore, it's essential to foster open discussions and continue seeking people solutions that prioritize the well-being of these majestic animals. Thanks for joining us today as we explore the multifaceted issue of commercial lion breeding and its impact on animal rights. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time.